What do you do about it, sailor? What do you do about it, sailor? Blah, 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 blah.
Hey, name's Porky. Is you Motown? Hey, I got your guy back here. You got my guy? So you got cigars or what? He's right over there. Hey, you's a funny guy, man. So what you got in here, like your dirty laundry or something? Oh! What the? Why, man? I thought we was on the...
Fly away, canary.
So, now, I go to this park to meet my associate, a man who works for the same man, to do an exchange. Now, when I get there, he shoots at me. And all I want to know is why this man is trying to kill you. Or you know what? More importantly, why is he trying to kill me?
I don't know why he's trying to kill you. I know why he's trying to kill me. I was coming home from a Furious Tree of Sorrow concert. I went down an alley. I thought it'd be faster. He was pointing a gun at a guy. And then bam, he freaking killed him.
Let me go take a whiz.
That's kind of hard to say for $1.09.
Come on.
I'm Detective Francis Tuttle. What the? What the heck? Hey! Where in the flying fruit weasels are we? Well, Mr. Ting, I think we lost him. This looks like a pretty good place to set up a campfire. You go ahead, you bed down, I'll keep watch. Jeez, what are you doing, man? I was just trying to light a campfire, like lighten up the mood so you could be warm, and what do? I didn't know you'd get so comfortable up against me. Jeez.
What? What are you talking about?
Jeez, what? We gotta hurry up, you know. There's some kind of crazy fruit bat after us. Come on.